got this Wright standard right here. If you end up with an issue like I've had for the last few months, and we're still waiting to find out if this is the issue, but I would have a terrible time getting it started. It's like it wasn't making a good connection. Part of it is a bad with this linkage here to the switch down here. Part of that's the issue. But then I replaced the starter. I think that actually was an issue, but then we kept having the issue with it just being slow to start, and eventually it was just draining the battery, where we had a crank start every time. You just hit the switch and nothing. So I got looking, I'm like, oh, so I've got this yellow wire here with a connector to the switch, and it is burnt to a crisp. So, and it wasn't a good fit there. It's all crusty. It's just sliding all around like so. Oops, sorry. So we got this, didn't realize how bad this was. So we've got the, real bad connection where it's all just melted and crusty. You can see how far it goes down here. It's almost 2 inches of crust. And the issue being that for this system here, it's supposed to slide right on here, but it's just wiggling all over the place. So I don't know if that was, a large factor for sure, but we're going to replace this with a new pot. So thankfully I'm going to cut all the way back to the probably the good yellow here, and then we're just going to put a new connector on that fits like it should, and we'll go from there. We'll keep you posted as to how this works, but I'm pretty sure this is the issue. So I'm positive it'll be helpful for other mowers as well. It just happens to be a Wright standard for this case. So check this first when you're having starter issues.